Welcome. This video is designed to help you prepare AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam through real exam type question. Each question is followed by correct answer and explanation why the answer is correct and other options are not applicable. This is part 2 and continuation of AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam preparation. You can also practice this exam online by navigating to link below. Question 41. An internal tool uses Bedrock plus a knowledge base backed by Amazon S3 vectors. The team wants to prioritize the most recent documents when multiple documents are similar. What is the best approach? Here are your options. Option A. Reduce embedding dimensions. Option B. Add a year or last updated metadata field and use metadata filters or ranking rules. Option C. Use a larger FM model size. Option D. Store only the latest documents and delete history. The correct answer is option B. Add a year or last updated metadata field and use metadata filters or ranking rules. Question 42. Which AWS AI service allows businesses to perform no-code machine learning predictions on structured data? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth. Option B. Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Option C. Amazon Textract. Option D. Amazon Forecast. The correct answer is option B. Amazon SageMaker Canvas is designed for business analysts, non-developers, to build ML models without coding. Why other options are not applicable? Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth, label data, not build/predict models. Amazon Textract, get data from documents, not predict outcomes. Amazon Forecast, forecast future trends, not general ML predictions. Question 43. A company stores thousands of marketing assets as PDFs and images in S3 and wants a RAG system that can search across both text and images. Which approach is most appropriate on AWS? Here are your options. Option A. Use Bedrock knowledge bases with a text-only pipeline, ignoring images. Option B. Pre-process PDFs and images, extract text with OCR or recognition, store chunks in a vector store, and connect via Bedrock knowledge bases. Option C. Only store image thumbnails in S3 and rely on FM prompts. Option D. Use Amazon RDS as a vector store without text extraction. The correct answer is option B. Question 44. A data team is designing a RAG architecture on AWS. They want to quickly prototype, but also have a path to more control later. Which approach best balances speed and flexibility? Here are your options. Option A. Start with a full custom pipeline on EC2 and containers only. Option B. Start with Bedrock knowledge bases and later move to a custom retriever using the same vector store, for example, OpenSearch service. Option C. Avoid any managed services and write a custom vector index in Python lists. Option D. Use Amazon Q Business only, with no option of custom retrievers. The correct answer is option B. You can prototype quickly with knowledge bases and later switch to more custom retrieval logic using the same underlying vector database, preserving flexibility. Question 45. A security-conscious organization is building a Bedrock-based RAG application with OpenSearch serverless as the vector store. They need to secure embeddings and ensure least privilege. Which two actions should they take? Choose two. Select all answers that apply. Here are your options. Option A. Enable encryption at rest for the vector store and control keys with KMS. Option B. Allow full public access to the OpenSearch endpoint for simplicity. Option C. Use IAM policies that restrict the Bedrock knowledge base role to the specific vector collection. Option D. Store embeddings unencrypted in public S3 buckets. Option E. Disable CloudWatch logging for retrieval requests. The correct answers are options A, C. Encrypting the vector store and using least privilege IAM policies for the knowledge base execution role are core security practices for RG on AWS. Question 46. A team wants to build a cost-effective RAG system on AWS that can scale from a small prototype to millions of documents. Which two design choices support this goal? Choose two. Select all answers that apply. Here are your options. Option A. Use Amazon S3 as the primary document store and trigger ingestion with S3 events. Option B. Hardcode embeddings in the application code. Option C. Use a managed vector store option like S3 vectors or OpenSearch serverless integrated with Bedrock knowledge bases. Option D. Run a single self-managed Elasticsearch cluster on at2.micro instance for all workloads. Option E. Avoid CloudWatch monitoring to save costs. The correct answers are options A, C. Storing source docs in S3 with event-driven ingestion and using managed vector store options integrated with knowledge bases supports both scalability and cost efficiency. Question 47. A company wants to extract text and tables from scanned invoices and store structured data. What should they use? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Recognition. Option B. Amazon Comprehend. Option C. Amazon Textract. Option D. Amazon Lex. The correct answer is option C. Amazon Textract is purpose-built for OCR and structured extraction from forms and Tbilisi Euro, not just generic text or vision labels. Question 48. You need to build a customer support chatbot using foundation models without managing infrastructure. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon SageMaker. Option B. Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Amazon EC2. Option D. Amazon Recognition. The correct answer is option B. Amazon Bedrock provides managed access to foundation models, e.g., Claude, Titan, via API without you operating model infrastructure. Question 49. A data science team wants full control to build, train, and deploy a fraud detection model. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Rekognition. Option B, Amazon Lex. Option C, Amazon SageMaker. Option D, Amazon Poly. The correct answer is option C. Amazon SageMaker is the end-to-end platform for building, training, tuning, and deploying custom ML models. Question 50. An app needs to detect faces and objects in uploaded photos. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A, Amazon Textract. Option B, Amazon Comprehend. Option C, Amazon Rekognition. Option D, Amazon Bedrock. The correct answer is option C. Amazon Rekognition is designed for image and video analysis, such as objects, faces, and custom labels. Question 51. You want to analyze customer reviews to determine positive or negative sentiment. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A, Amazon Rekognition. Option B, Amazon Comprehend. Option C, Amazon Textract. Option D, Amazon Poly. The correct answer is option B. Amazon Comprehend provides managed NLP, including sentiment, entities, and key phrases. Question 52. A fraud detection system requires instant predictions via API. Best approach? Here are your options. Option A, batch inference only. Option B, Amazon SageMaker real-time endpoint. Option C, Amazon S3 alone. Option D, AWS Glue. The correct answer is option B. Low latency, on-demand inference is served through a real-time endpoint, keyword. Real-time equals synchronous API inference. Question 53. A company processes millions of records overnight for predictions. Best approach? Here are your options. Option A, SageMaker real-time endpoint. Option B, SageMaker batch transform. Option C, AWS Lambda only. Option D, Amazon Lex. The correct answer is option B. Large offline scoring jobs map to batch transform rather than a synchronous real-time endpoint. Question 54. A bank must ensure its ML model does not unfairly discriminate against users. What principle is most important? Here are your options. Option A, scalability. Option B, fairness. Option C, latency. Option D, throughput. The correct answer is option B. Responsible AI emphasizes fairness, bias mitigation, and equitable outcomes, especially in regulated domains. Question 55. You want to control who can access ML models and APIs. Primary mechanism? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon CloudWatch. Option B. AWS IAM. Option C. Amazon S3. Option D. AWS Lambda. The correct answer is option B. IAM policies and roles enforce least privilege access to AWS APIs, including SageMaker and Bedrock. Question 56. Your model accuracy decreases over time due to changing data. This is best described as. Here are your options. Option A. Overfitting. Option B. Data drift. Option C. Underfitting. Option D. Latency. The correct answer is option B. When input or label distributions shift in production, accuracy drops. Classic data or concept drift. Question 57. You want to reduce ML cost without managing infrastructure. Best approach? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon EC2 with self-managed clusters. Option B. Managed AWS AI services, e.g., Bedrock, Comprehend. Option C. On-premises servers. Option D. Larger GPU instances only. The correct answer is option B. Managed services reduce undifferentiated operations and often improve cost predictability versus self-managed fleets. Question 58. A chatbot gives inconsistent answers. You refine instructions and examples to guide output. This practices? Here are your options. Option A. Model training. Option B. Prompt engineering. Option C. Horizontal scaling. Option D. Monitoring only. The correct answer is option B. Prompt engineering shapes FM behavior through instructions, structure, and examples without retraining weights. Question 59. You want to build a system that searches by meaning, not only keywords. Core component? Here are your options. Option A. SQL full text only. Option B. Vector embeddings and a vector store. Option C. Amazon S3 alone. Option D. Amazon CloudWatch. The correct answer is option B. Semantic search relies on embeddings and vector similarity, not keyword matching alone. Question 60. You combine document retrieval with LLM response generation. This architecture is? Here are your options. Option A. Supervised learning only. Option B. Retrieval augmented generation, RG. Option C. Clustering. Option D. Regression. The correct answer is option B. RAG grounds the model on retrieved context before generation, improving factual grounding for enterprise data. Question 61. You want fast responses for end users around the world. Which combination is most appropriate? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon EC2 instances only in one region. Option B. Amazon CloudFront with Amazon API Gateway and regional APIs/backends. Option C. Amazon S3 static hosting only. Option D. Batch processing pipelines only. The correct answer is option B. Edge caching, CloudFront, plus API gateway in front of regional compute is a common pattern for low-latency global APIs. Question 62. A company wants to use pre-trained foundation models without managing infrastructure. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon SageMaker. Option B. Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Amazon EC2. Option D. AWS Lambda. The correct answer is option B. Bedrock equals consume pre-trained FMs via API. SageMaker build, train, and operate custom ML different job. Question 63. Extract text from scanned documents, including tables. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Recognition. Option B. Amazon Textract. Option C. Amazon Comprehend. Option D. Amazon Poly. The correct answer is option B. Recognition is for image and video understanding. Textract is for documents, OCR, forms, and tables. Question 64. Analyze sentiment in customer feedback. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Lex. Option B. Amazon Comprehend. Option C. Amazon Bedrock. Option D. Amazon Poly. The correct answer is option B. Comprehend is for NLP analysis, sentiment, entities. Lex is for conversational bots with intents and slots. Question 65. Build a rule-based chatbot with predefined intents. Best choice? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Bedrock. Option B. Amazon Lex. Option C. Amazon SageMaker. Option D. Amazon Recognition. The correct answer is option B. Lex fits structured, intent-driven bots. Bedrock fits open-ended generative assistance. Question 66. You need instant fraud detection via API. Best approach? Here are your options. Option A. Batch transform only. Option B. Real-time inference endpoint, e.g. SageMaker endpoint. Option C. Amazon S3 alone. Option D. AWS Glue only. The correct answer is option B. Keyword: real-time low-latency synchronous inference, typically an endpoint not offline batch. Question 67. Process millions of records overnight for scoring. Best approach? Here are your options. Option A. Real-time inference endpoint. Option B. SageMaker batch transform. Option C. AWS Lambda only. Option D. Amazon API Gateway only. The correct answer is option B. Large offline jobs map to batch transform or similar batch pipelines, not a synchronous endpoint. Question 68. A model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. This is? Here are your options. Option A. Underfitting. Option B. Overfitting. Option C. Data drift. Option D. Horizontal scaling. The correct answer is option B. Overfitting is memorizes training signal including noise, fails to generalize. Question 69. Input data distributions change over time. This is best called? Here are your options. Option A. Model drift. Option B. Data drift. Option C. Overfitting. Option D. Sampling bias only. The correct answer is option B. Data drift is inputs change. Model drift often describes performance decay, can include data or behavior shift. Question 70. Higher model temperature most directly leads to? Here are your options. Option A. More factually strict output. Option B. More creative/varied output. Option C. Faster wall clock inference. Option D. Lower token cost. The correct answer is option B. Temperature increases randomness and token sampling more diversity, not guaranteed accuracy or speed. Question 71. The model outputs a confident answer that is incorrect or unsupported. This is? Here are your options. Option A. Drift. Option B. Hallucination. Option C. Overfitting. Option D. Label noise. The correct answer is option B. Hallucination is plausible sounding but wrong or ungrounded content. Mitigate with RAG, guardrails, and prompts. Question 72. You must ensure a hiring model does not unfairly disadvantage groups. Primary principle? Here are your options. Option A. Latency. Option B. Fairness. Option C. Throughput. Option D. Top 1 accuracy only. The correct answer is option B. Fairness and bias mitigation are central to responsible AI in high-stakes decisions. Question 73. Who may call your ML APIs on AWS? Primary mechanism is? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon CloudWatch. Option B. AWS IAM. Option C. Amazon S3. Option D. AWS Glue. The correct answer is option B. IAM roles and policies enforce least privilege access to SageMaker, Bedrock, and other services. Question 74. Best way to reduce ML operational overhead, less undifferentiated heavy lifting. Here are your options. Option A. Self-managed Amazon EC2 fleets only. Option B. Managed AWS AI or ML services where they fit. Option C. On-premises hardware only. Option D. Larger GPU instances without architecture change. The correct answer is option B. Managed services reduce ops burden and often improve time to value versus bespoke infrastructure. Question 75. Running the model to produce predictions in production is? Here are your options. Option A, training. Option B, inference. Option C, data labeling. Option D, clustering. The correct answer is option B. Training learns parameters, inference applies the model to new inputs at serving time. Question 76. Supervised learning fundamentally requires? Here are your options. Option A, no historical data. Option B, labeled input euro output examples. Option C, only image inputs. Option D, real-time streaming only. The correct answer is option B. Supervised methods learn from labeled examples, targets, paired with features. Question 77. The main goal of feature engineering is to? Here are your options. Option A, deploy the endpoint. Option B, improve model signal and performance. Option C, store raw logs indefinitely. Option D, replace IAM policies. The correct answer is option B. Features encode domain knowledge, so models learn easier patterns from data. Question 78. Retrieval-augmented generation combines? Here are your options. Option A, only offline training and batch scoring. Option B, retrieval of relevant context plus generative completion. Option C, object storage and DNS only. Option D, batch jobs and step functions only. The correct answer is option B. RAG is retrieve grounding documents, then let the FM generate an answer conditioned on that context. Question 79. Vector embeddings are primarily used to support? Here are your options. Option A, cold object archival. Option B, semantic similarity and semantic search. Option C, VPC flow log formatting. Option D, auto-scaling group sizing. The correct answer is option B. Embeddings map text or media into vectors so similarity is measured in embedding space. Question 80. Track latency, errors, and business metrics for a model in production using? Here are your options. Option A, AWS IAM. Option B, Amazon CloudWatch. Option C, Amazon S3. Option D, AWS Lambda. The correct answer is option B. CloudWatch metrics, alarms, and logs are the standard operational telemetry layer on AWS. Great work completing this certification practice session. Please practice these exams online as listed below, which is free. Good luck. Thank you.